My name is Tash. This is my FD RX-7.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this is not the normal one. Allow me to welcome you to the JDM side of South Africa. And right here, we have a very stunning Mazda FD RX-7. And one thing before we get to it, you can see I plug you guys with the hottest cars in Zanzibar. So subscribe there and let's grow this community. More is yet to come and you definitely don't want to miss it. Let's go.
Yo, how's it guys? My name is Tash. This is my FD RX-7. I guess it's a childhood dream, you know. I guess for all car guys, we have a certain car in mind. But yeah, this one obviously came my way at a certain point, and yeah, it's a car I've always wanted, and likely I will hold on to for a long time. In terms of aesthetics, the car, I mean, obviously has a RE, so it's a wide body car, RE Amimia kit. There's a few other carbon bits, the bonnet, I guess the light covers, and then the wheels on the car. It's a T37s. Yeah, and a few other things on the suspension and so on. The car is set up with the Olin's 4-way adjustable coilovers, and then yeah, that's it in terms of the aesthetics, I guess. So the motor is mostly stock on the actual motor itself, but it's twin turbo conversion. Basically this car, that's how it comes originally. So the car is now a single turbo car. There's a few other supporting mods, obviously a bigger radiator, It has a GAD intake elbow already. And yeah, I guess that's it. And obviously, the exhaust had to be done, the downpipe, manifold, etc. But yeah, that's it on the motor side. I guess here in Johannesburg, the car's probably making, I mean, over probably around 340, 350 horsepower in that range. I would say at like 0.6, 0.7 power. But yeah, it's I guess around that the last time the car was checked. I think for now, likely what I had in mind was to basically build a bit of a front splitter. It's a bit open right now. That's at least how I feel. And maybe help a bit with the aero, make the front a bit more aggressive. Yeah, but that's what I have in mind for now. I would love another JDM car, but we'll see. Probably something German, maybe switch lanes a bit, you know. I always love a F3, so whichever I wouldn't mind, honestly. But yeah.
If you watched till this far on the video, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and leave a comment on what car you would love to see on the channel. And just because I love you guys, I made sure I put some rollers at the end of the video. Enjoy guys. Cheers.